Very good morning, dear students. I have told you to write this program in the copy, that is heading. In this program, various heading tags are being given starting from H1. So the heading starts from H1. You give your text, whatever you give for the heading, and then close it using /H1. Okay, like this we have 6 heading tags. There are 6 heading tags. Okay, 6 ways we can give the headings. Remember, H1 is the biggest one in the size and H6 is the smallest one, as shown in the output also. We can see here in the output. It is visible here in the output. Okay, so I told you to write this program in the copy. I hope you might have written. You can also write down the output. Next heading you have to give is paragraph tag. Now, this paragraph tag specially is used to tell HTML internet browser that a new paragraph starts from here. There is a new paragraph starting from here. This P tag tells the browser. Now the various alignments, various attributes used with paragraph tag are, first one is align. When we say align means where are we going to place the paragraph? We have 4 options. As it is shown here. P align is equals to center. If you wish to place your paragraph exactly in the center of the page. Right, to place or to align the text to the right side. Left, to align the text to the left side, and justify the text is placed evenly between left and right margins. Okay, here note is given and please take note of it. Align attribute can be given with heading tag, font tag, or paragraph tag. Means this attribute is not only to be given with paragraph, you can also give it with heading tag and font tag. Next heading you have to write in your copy is empty elements. Before this we have seen container elements, now it is empty elements. You can write down the definition for empty elements. Empty elements are the elements which only have starting tag but no closing tag. No closing tag. That is, suppose if I have BR stands for break row. So there is only opening tag for BR. There is no ending or closing tag for BR. In that case, BR is what type of element? It is empty element. BR, HR, that is horizontal row. These are the examples of empty elements. Okay, children, you have to write this much in your copy, Fair Computer copy, in practical portion. Okay, thank you, children.